Welcome back to Sailing with Faith. This is just a quick video showing you how I polished up this prop. Those discs you just saw, they were for polishing granite, and they got different grit levels from 50 up to 3000. You see how the prop used to be, and those grinding, there was like lines in there that needed to come out. So using the polishing discs for granite, it worked out really well. As long as you use a lot of water, it's fine. It says on there 14 by 12. It's not. There's another marking on the side that is 13 by 11. So this prop must have been modified at some stage, and it's a right-hand prop with a 1-inch shaft. There's tables online that you can look up, Google it, and you can find out the dimensions of the taper in order to machine it successfully. Luckily I don't have to do anything with this one because it's a 1-inch taper and my shaft is a 1-inch shaft. You can see how it used to look. On the back that's unpolished, and on the front is the polished, just with using the discs. I haven't used any brasso yet. That would take any of the remaining peaks off. And that's it. I bought this for $20, this prop. Thought I could use it, so I started to polish up, and yeah, all the dimensions work out perfectly. I'm very pleased with that. Every now and again you do see them online cheap. People sell them because they think they're just ornaments. Well, that actually is a pretty decent prop. And there you can see, after using the brasso, it's all nice and shiny. And of course it helps keep all the mollusks off it, and when you want to clean it up again, it's much easier to clean up. Yeah, I'll be probably taking that off every year, assuming it's going to work. The issue was with it bogging down the engine. I had a bigger prop on there, and that was definitely no good. I couldn't go above, the engine's rated at about 3000 RPM. It's a Yanmar engine. It was supposed to top out at 3400 RPM, and I really couldn't get more than like 2200, and any more than that and it would just smoke. So I decided to get another prop. Well, what I've got on the boat right now is a twin bladed prop. It's like an 11-inch, and it's really not working.